downside direction, sell call generated, red color candle open. In this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, like that the calls will be generated. Today it's June 28th market. Up to 11 o'clock, previous day buy call continued. After 11 o'clock, market downside direction, downside breakout, sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, automatically it will generate the calls like a signal. Right now you are watching the video now, like this daily you will watch this chart. You will get the entry, target, stop loss. According to the entry, target, stop loss, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading, like connecting your broker account to this chart. You can do auto trading also. For chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. So today the first call is the sell call only. The call came at 52,925. First target is 52,793. It's more than 130 point first target, 130 point, more than 130 point first target. So every day you will get these entry targets automatically. You just need to watch and get it. Okay. So the call came at 925. The first target is 793. In just a 4 candle, 4 minute of market momentum, it has break out a 100-point range. It was very quick. In first 2 minutes, very flat momentum, but third candle and fourth candle has moved very well and break out almost the target. And in just a few minutes of trading, it successfully break out first target range also. Like this today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.